Welcome to Houseluxe Estate, your one-stop channel for all things lifestyle and leisure. We're here to enrich your life with a variety of topics, from home decor tips to culinary delights, and yes, even the art of fishing. Our mission is to provide you with comprehensive guides, tips, and tricks to help you navigate your hobbies and interests with ease. So gear up and reel in the excitement. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fishing with 10 things you need to know before you venture out. And embarking on a fishing journey starts with understanding the basics. Just like any other sport or hobby, fishing has its own set of rules and techniques that are vital to master. There are different types of fishing, each with its own unique style. From fly fishing in a serene river to deep-sea fishing in the open ocean, the possibilities are as vast as the waters themselves. It's not only about the type of fishing, but also the techniques involved. The way you cast your line, the bait you use, even the time of day can make a world of difference. And of course, safety should never be overlooked. Knowing how to handle your equipment, how to react in case of an emergency, and respecting the environment are all part of a responsible angler's journey. Fishing is not just about casting a line. It's an art that requires patience and practice. Choosing the right equipment is the cornerstone of a successful fishing trip. Let's dive into the basics. First up, fishing rods. For beginners, an all-around rod is a great starting point. They are versatile and can handle a variety of fishing situations. Next, we have fishing reels. Spinning reels are popular among novices due to their ease of use and versatility. They are perfect for light to medium tackle and can be used in both freshwater and saltwater. Speaking of tackle, this refers to the equipment you use to catch fish, like hooks, lines, sinkers, floats, rods, reels, baits, lures, spears, nets, gaffs, traps, waders, and tackle boxes. For beginners, it's best to start with a basic tackle setup. A variety of hooks, some weights, and a few different types of baits should do the trick. Remember, the right equipment can make a world of difference. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Before you hit the waters, remember the law of the land. Now, it might seem like a minor detail, but obtaining a fishing license is a crucial step in your fishing journey. This isn't just a piece of paper or a digital document, folks. It's your ticket to enjoy the wonder of fishing while supporting the conservation of our aquatic ecosystems. Every time you purchase a fishing license, you're contributing to the protection and sustainability of our fisheries. The funds go towards research, habitat restoration, and educational programs that ensure our waters teem with life for generations to come. But it's not just about the money. Having a fishing license means you're committed to following local fishing regulations. These rules help maintain the balance of aquatic life, preventing overfishing and ensuring species survival. So don't think of it as a mere requirement. See it as a pledge. A pledge to fish responsibly, to respect the aquatic life, and to help preserve our precious waters. Always fish responsibly and respect the aquatic life. And knowing your target is half the battle won. And it's no different when it comes to fishing. Choosing the type of fish you're aiming to catch can significantly impact your fishing adventure. It's not just about picking any fish that comes to mind. It's about aligning your choice with what's available in your chosen fishing spot. Consider the local aquatic life. Some areas may be teeming with bass, while others may be a haven for trout. Researching the species present in your preferred location will help you prepare accordingly. It's a matter of using the right bait, the right gear, and the right techniques, all of which can vary from one fish species to another. Remember, each fish species behaves differently, so understanding their habits and habitats can give you the upper hand. Don't just cast your line into the water and hope for the best. Be strategic. Knowledge of the fish species can enhance your fishing experience and increase your chances of success. Mother Nature plays a significant role in your fishing adventure. The weather, in all its unpredictable glory, can be a fisherman's best friend or worst enemy. It directly influences fish behavior, which in turn affects your fishing success. Sunshine, for instance, can make fish more active, but it can also make them more wary and harder to catch. Overcast skies, on the other hand, can often lead to better fishing as fish are less cautious and more likely to bite. Rain can be a double-edged sword. While it can stimulate feeding, heavy rain can muddy the waters and make it harder for fish to see your bait. Temperature changes can also affect fish behavior. For example, fish are generally more active in warmer water, but each species has its optimum temperature range. Wind direction can also play a part. In general, fishing is better when the wind comes from the west. Always keep an eye on the weather and plan your fishing trip accordingly. Casting the line is an art in itself. It's not just about flinging the bait into the water. It's about precision, control, and understanding your environment. If you've ever watched a seasoned angler, you've probably noticed their smooth, calculated movements. Each cast is a study in grace and finesse, aimed at placing the bait exactly where the fish are biting. Casting, you see, is all about creating a perfect arc with your fishing line, with the weight of the bait carrying the hook to the desired spot. It's about understanding the wind, the water current, and the behavior of the fish you're trying to catch. It's about practicing until you can cast without even thinking about it. But why is casting so important? Simple. A good cast puts your bait right in front of the fish, increasing your chances of making a catch. So, like a painter with a brush, mastering the cast is crucial to your fishing success. In fishing, patience is not just a virtue, it's a necessity. Let's dive a little deeper into this. Fishing isn't a sport that rewards hasty actions or impulsive decisions. Rather, it's a game of waiting, watching, and most importantly, patience. Many times, you may find yourself sitting for hours on end, with nothing but the gentle lapping of waves to keep you company. But it's in these still moments that the magic happens. The fish are not on our timeline. They have their own rhythms, their own patterns. Understanding this is key to aligning ourselves with the natural world. You see, the fish won't bite just because we want them to. It's about waiting for the right moment, the perfect strike. So, when you're out there, rod in hand, remember it's not about how quickly you can land a fish. It's about the joy of the wait, the thrill of anticipation. Remember, patience is the secret ingredient to a rewarding fishing experience. Fishing is not just about the catch, it's about respect for the aquatic life. This statement rings true especially when we talk about the catch and release philosophy. This philosophy is about more than just the thrill of the catch. It's about preserving the sport and the environment for future generations. It's a practice that reflects a deep respect for nature and an understanding that every life, no matter how small, has its own value. Catch and release is not about denying oneself the pleasure of a catch. It's about ensuring that the pleasure continues for years to come. It's about recognizing that we are part of a larger ecosystem, and our actions can have a profound impact on it. When we catch and release, we are not just letting a fish go. We are making a commitment to the future. We are acknowledging that the joy and excitement of fishing is something that should be available for everyone, today and tomorrow. Catch for the thrill, release for the future. There you have it, your beginner's guide to fishing. We've covered quite a bit of ground today, so let's do a quick recap. We started with understanding the basics of fishing. It's not just about sitting by the water with a rod in hand, it's about understanding the ecosystem, the environment, the species, and most importantly, the rules and regulations that govern this activity. Then we delved into choosing the right equipment. From the right kind of fishing rod to the appropriate bait, we discussed how each piece of gear plays a crucial role in a successful fishing trip. We also emphasized the importance of a fishing license. It not only legitimizes your fishing activity, but also contributes to the conservation efforts of our aquatic life. Then we explored the different types of fish and how each requires a unique approach. Understanding your target fish species can make all the difference in your fishing experience. Remember the role of weather in fishing? That's right. We talked about how changes in weather conditions can affect fish behavior and consequently, your fishing results. Casting, as we discussed, is an art in itself and requires practice to perfect. And let's not forget the importance of patience in this activity. Finally, we touched on the catch and release philosophy. It's not just about the thrill of the catch, but also about respecting the aquatic life and maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Thank you for joining us today on House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative and engaging content.